Patio doors do more than connect your indoor space to your backyard. They play a major role in protecting your home from the elements. With changing weather conditions throughout the year, it's essential that patio doors are built to handle moisture, wind, temperature shifts, and daily use. For homeowners in Covington, choosing patio doors with strong weather-resistant features helps preserve indoor comfort, improve durability, and maintain long-term performance. Strong, insulated glass makes up a large portion of any patio door, which means it must be designed to resist heat transfer and environmental stress. Modern patio doors in Covington homes often feature double or triple pane glass. These multi-pane designs create insulating layers that reduce heat transfer while helping maintain stable indoor temperatures. This added insulation also supports comfort during seasonal temperature swings. High-performance glass also helps limit condensation and protects against moisture buildup. Durable frame materials. The frame is just as important as the glass when it comes to weather resistance. Patio doors available to Covington homeowners are often made from materials designed to resist warping, swelling, and corrosion. These durable frames maintain their shape even when exposed to humidity or temperature changes. Stable frames ensure the door continues to open and close smoothly while maintaining a tight seal. Advanced weather stripping air and moisture infiltration often occur around the edges of doors. Weather-resistant patio doors in Covington are equipped with high-quality weather stripping that forms a secure seal between the door panel and frame. This barrier helps prevent drafts and keeps unwanted moisture outside. When properly installed, weather stripping supports both comfort and efficiency. Secure locking and compression seals. A tight closure is essential for weather protection. Many modern patio doors feature compression seals that activate when the door is fully closed and locked. In Covington homes, this added security improves insulation and prevents wind-driven rain from entering. Secure locking systems also enhance peace of mind while maintaining structural integrity. Smooth, protected tracks for sliding doors. For sliding patio doors, track design plays a critical role. Weather-resistant sliding doors in Covington include durable track systems that allow smooth operation while preventing debris and moisture from interfering with performance. Properly designed tracks reduce the risk of water pooling and ensure reliable use over time. Reinforced construction for wind resistance. Wind exposure can place stress on large glass panels. Patio doors built with reinforced frames and strong hardware provide added resistance against environmental pressure. Covington homeowners benefit from doors that remain stable and secure during windy conditions. Professional installation matters. Even the best patio door will underperform without proper installation. In Covington homes, expert installation ensures the door is level, securely anchored, and tightly sealed along the perimeter. This prevents gaps that could compromise weather resistance. Supporting year-round comfort. Weather-resistant patio doors do more than protect against the elements, they contribute to everyday comfort. By reducing drafts, managing temperature transfer, and blocking moisture, Covington homeowners can enjoy a more stable and inviting indoor environment. A smart investment in long-term protection. Patio doors are a major feature in any home. For homeowners in Covington, selecting weather-resistant patio door features ensures durability, efficiency, and lasting performance. With insulated glass, durable frames, secure seals, and professional installation, your patio doors will continue to protect and enhance your home no matter the weather outside.